What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I am going to be unboxing and assembling and using this new Ego 9-gallon wet-dry vacuum cleaner. I'm so excited. I can't wait to do it, but it's going to have to wait until right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. You want to help out with the channel? You can head on over to the merch store. You can get hats. You can see, look at that hat, hoodies, t-shirts. Yo, it's going to be getting cold outside pretty soon. Link will be in the description below. Welcome back, everybody. Now, if you have been here for a while, you'll know that we've gone over this vacuum. We've seen it in action at the Ohio Power Tool Open House, their spring event. I don't know that we got all of the specifications other than it's the most powerful. So I'm going to give you that information now while I start to unbox the tool. This is Ego's Power Plus cleaning 9-gallon wet-dry vacuum. It has a brushless motor which provides up to 110 CFM. It has onboard storage. It has a filter cleaning function. It's part of the ARC lithium 56-volt platform. This kit comes with a 320-watt charger and a 56-volt 5-amp-hour battery is included. As per usual, it comes with the 5-year tool warranty through Ego, as well as a 3-year battery warranty through Ego. Download the Ego app. You could get it on the Apple App Store or Google Play. Okay. Adoo, adoo, badoo, badoo. Adoo, badoo, badoo, badoo. Ow. So number one, the wheels feel really good. There are locking casters up here at the front that are directional. I'm seeing some nice stuff here. We have a brush. This is not a utility nozzle. This is like a carpet nozzle. It's got some small brush here. I can look at the instructions for the exact name. I sometimes feel like you're not really interested in all that information, but we have our fob. I'll assume that the rest of the components are inside this tank. All right, so here's our hose. We have a couple of extension wands. Here's our bag. Here's the rest of our accessories. I like that. I more so like that it has onboard storage. What we're gonna wanna do though, according to Chris, if you're watching Chris, we're gonna want to run the vacuum with the bag in place because it's mo better, okay, number one. Number two, the only time you're gonna wanna run it without the bag is if you're sucking up some water. That's right, water, W-O-O-D-E-R. So we've installed our bag here. See that? I'm gonna put our lid on. So you have two locking tabs. You push them in, they clip in front here. Now, the funny thing is that Chris let us know that this vacuum also has a blower function right here. So that turns this vacuum into a blower. The good part is that the air that's coming out of there has been passed through a bag and then a stage 1 filter. So that means that if you are to use this as a blower and there is actual trash or dirt inside the vacuum, you're not gonna blow it all out into your work area or inside your car. I like that. This is looks like the spot for the blue teefuses. So I guess that slides on there. And this is, I believe, you can see here, USB rechargeable. See that? See the blue teefuses? So this goes here, I believe. And I like that thing. The extensions go in here. I like that a lot. You know, that's like one of the best parts about having a system like this. You know, everything's on the vacuum. This way you're not searching for other components. We have this attachment here. It has some stiff bristles. Now, let's just say you wanted to use this for sucking up a lot of water. You would pop out the bristles, and then what you could do is you could put this rubber blade on and use this to vacuum up water, W-O-O-D-E-R, in a situation where you needed to suck up a lot of water. I'll tell you what though, where are we keeping this? But I'm sure you'll let me know down in the comments section. I know what you all came here for though. You wanted to see the suction. Let's see how Ego's shipping these batteries out. 2 bars. You know what? I have one in the oven that's been fully cooked through. Let me get that on here. This way we could do more suction. I really appreciate the onboard storage, especially with the exhaust pipes as they call them, or the extension nozzles. I'm gonna pop 2 of these in. Whoa. Now we can stand up and vacuum a wider expanse of area. Now here's the thing. Let's just say we're doing general duty on a hard floor like this. We could always take these bristles off, okay? Put that aside. And now we could do more general duty vacuuming. All right, so pretty much I'm gonna start out with this general utility nozzle, crevice nozzle, but I've installed the Bluetooth, I don't know, the centrifuge, because here's the deal. Batteries in vacuum cleaners deplete very rapidly. So what you're gonna wanna do is, when you're not using the vacuum to actually suck things up, you're gonna wanna turn it off. This will allow that to happen more easily. This is actually what I'm going to use it to start, and we should be on turbo. Caution. Change out my nozzle. Probably would go with this carpet nozzle. See how we do. This is like more for solid surfaces. So there's a wide assortment of attachments here to help you get exactly what you need. I'm sure that you can buy maybe auto-specific detailing attachments as well. The other great part about this vac is it has a self-cleaning function. So if you were to be vacuuming up maybe paver dust, or you're working outside doing hardscaping and you're trying to keep that particulate from going airborne, maybe you could use that saw or grinder in conjunction with this vacuum. If you were to get a buildup in your filter, to clean that filter, which I really appreciate, all you'd have to do, turn your vacuum on, then put it on this little stub here. And then you press this button down 7 times exactly, and it cleans the filters. To be honest, super interested in how well it vacuums up some agua, or as some people might call it, water, W-O-O-D-E-R. All right, this goes against my better judgment, but it is a wet dry vacuum. But first, we got to take out our bag. So we're going to pop that right on. Then I'm going to put our vacuum tower head back on. We'll snap her closed. Yeah. All right, it wasn't a tremendous amount of water. Let's try a little more. And if you like, when water damage and catastrophe is averted, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, you can get 7 years of good luck. Wet dry vacs are awesome. Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you think of Ego's wet dry vacuum? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you going to buy it to detail your cars? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one.